Welcome back to BetterAvecBourbon. Today we have what I'd classify as a fall tiki cocktail, corn and oil. It's that time of year where it starts to get frosty, the harvest is complete, and you want something to warm you up. So why not have a corn and oil cocktail? It's stiff but still leans a little sweet thanks to Falernum. For ingredients you'll need rum. Pick your favorite aged rum, but I decided to go for something not quite as punchy, such as an aged Barbados rum. Falernum. I've got a homemade Falernum, but Velvet Falernum is pretty classic. And angostura bitters to help complement all of the baking spice flavors of the Falernum, while also balancing some of the sweetness. Gather all of your ingredients, and let's get to it. Before doing anything, let's smash the cube out of some ice. I usually crush more than is necessary because it's better to have it and not need it. Once smashed, grab your bar mat, rocks or double rocks glass, and start with 3 dashes of angostura bitters. Gather your jigger and measure a ½ ounce of Falernum. Two ounces of your aged rum. And then start filling your glass with crushed ice till it's full. Give it a quick stir to make sure the Falernum and the bitters are agitated and better combined with the rum. Add another scoop of ice to build your ice crown. Add a dash or two of angostura to add some color and a more prominent nose on the cocktail. And finally, garnish with a dried lemon slice. It's a delicious, spirit-forward cocktail that incorporates the nuttiness and baking spice of Falernum for something truly special. Thanks everyone for watching. Do you have a favorite fall tiki cocktail? Let me know down below. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more like it, hit that like button, press subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.